Hey everyone in Calc 2. I'm recording this on my camera phone with a cheapo dry erase board I got from Walgreens for like $3. Some pins from Walmart for like $1. I hope I didn't choose a very easy homework problem for my presentation, but it stumped me for a little while, so maybe I can help some other students out and try not to make a fool out of myself while I try to complete this question. So what I chose was the integral of cosecant of x plus the tangent tan x, all that squared dx. Like I said, that might be a very easy example, but it was difficult for me. So first thing you do, obviously, is expand this out. So that's pretty easy. I think everyone knows the FOIL method. So we've got cosecant squared of x plus 2 cosecant x tan x plus tan squared of x. And I hope this isn't getting all smushed here. I think it's still somewhat clear-ish. Dx. Now about this cosecant x tan x, that's not very easy to integrate per se, but I mean, obviously, one thing that kind of stumped me was cosecant of x times tan of x. Another way you can think of it, which I mean, we've all done this before in trigonometry, but I guess I'll make some room here. Cosecant x is just equal to 1 over sine of x, and tan x is equal to sine x over cosine of x, right? So these multiplied together, obviously sines cancel, so then you're just left with 1 over cosine of x, which that is secant of x, right? So coming back here, you can write this out again with now we're just left with cosecant squared of x plus, instead of cosecant x tan x, it's just 2 secant x plus tan squared of x, which is another problem to try to get rid of. And another we can think of, tan squared of x is secant squared x minus 1. I think that's kind of a trigonomic identity that most of us are familiar with. So let's write it out yet again. We've got cosecant squared x plus 2 secant x plus, sorry about that, secant squared x minus 1 dx. So this all becomes much easier to integrate. Let me make sure my phone's not going to die. I hope this has been clear thus far. I know it's a little smushed together, but this is a video, so I guess you can go back over it again. Okay, so cosecant squared of x. That integral is pretty easy to figure out, right? Negative cotangent of x. Okay, now this secant part, this is what kind of got me stuck before, because I did not know, at least I don't remember, this being equal to, okay, we got 2, and the natural log of, what is this, secant x plus tan x. That is the integral of secant, evidently. Maybe I'm just stupid. Okay, and then secant square root of x. That's pretty easy, I think, also because it's just tan of x. So plus tan x. I've kind of run out of room here. So what else did we have to integrate? We just have this -1 dx, and that's super easy to integrate. That's just negative x. So I'm trying to squeeze in another negative x. Maybe I can make this a little bit. Let's try to zoom in a little. I hope that's clear. We've got negative cotangent of x plus 2 times the natural log of the absolute value of secant x plus tan x plus tan x from here, from the secant squared of x, minus 1 dx. That's easy to integrate. That is just negative x. And of course, and I again don't gotta give myself some more room, but let's not forget, of course, arbitrary constant c. Gosh, I hope this was clear. Maybe just to recap, we started out with cosecant x plus tan x squared. We expanded it, so we got 2 cosecant x tan x here, tan squared of x. I think that's pretty easy to follow. And this